Hey guys, so I picked up some things from Dollar Tree and I've tried some of these things out and I'm going to give you little mini reviews on the things. So let's start with the obvious. I got some more of the $5 t-shirts and this is the one Star Wars, and I also got the Looney Tunes one. Some of the artwork on this is really good. I had on the Disney Villains one, I think that was my last video, and I know that the camera cuts off partway down my chest, so you can't see the whole thing. But yeah, the artwork on a lot of these is really nice, and they're very good quality. They wash really nice, and then I hang them up to dry. I do not put them in the dryer because I don't want them to shrink. And then I showed you in a previous video that I got some of the cereal socks. Well, I think these are the rest of them. I got the Raisin Bran because I don't think I even had any purple socks. And then I got the Apple Jacks, and I love that shade of green. So I have I think all the cereal socks now. I really want the Pop-Tarts one, but I can't seem to find that anywhere. And I got some hair products. And this is the Salon Selectives Heat Protectant Spray. And I really like this. It has a wicked nice mister on it. Like, you know how sometimes when you spray things in your hair, it concentrates it too much in one area? This has a great mister on it. And I just used it before I blow dried my hair, and it seemed to work really well. And also the one and only argan oil split end mender. When you have really long hair, you tend to get split ends no matter what, especially when you have to blow dry your hair occasionally. I try not to wash my hair every day so that I'm not blow drying it every day, but I can't be doing videos with soaking wet hair, and I always film in the morning, so I do have to blow my hair when I wash it. Blow dry my hair when I wash it. So I picked this up, and this seems to make a difference, and it does seem to actually mend the split ends. So like I just finished blow drying my hair, and I put this all on the ends of my hair, and it does seem to, like, condition it and mend the split ends. Okay, so I also got this Personal Care Revitalizing Appearance 3-in-1 Leave-In Hair Conditioner, all hair types. This I did not care for. I would not recommend this. I just didn't like how my hair looked or felt after I used this. Yeah, so this is a hard pass for me. And then I saw this new Sassy and Chic makeup brush, and it's a really nice powder brush. I love that shade of blue. It's like a cadet or colonial blue, and I like how they did it on the handle half into the bristles and then did white on the other side. That I just thought it was beautiful. So I incorporated powder into my makeup today so that I could try this out, and I used this for my pressed powder and seemed to work fine. And I've already washed this and dried it, and it didn't get weird on the shape or anything. And I like how it has like a rose gold band around it. So yeah, Sassy and Chic coming at us with the nice brushes lately, because it wasn't that long ago that I found those rose gold handled ones, and those were also by Sassy and Chic. So be on the lookout for that nice powder brush. And then this next thing is not new at Dollar Tree, but it's new to my collection. I have seen this for, oh my gosh, probably like a year now, and I don't know why I just never picked it up. This is the Mercerie Nude Smoky palette. And a lot of you probably already have this. And I think the reason why I never got this before is because I wasn't really into neutrals at that time, but now I seem to be really loving the neutrals. But also, every single shade in the palette is a shimmer, and I thought that was kind of strange that they didn't incorporate a matte, but that seems to be the thing now, is doing all shimmer eyeshadow looks. That's definitely a trend. So I used this to do my eye look today, and I actually used every single shade. I put this on the lids, I put this in the outer corners and crease. I use this as my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight, and then I just put a little bit of this on the center of my lids. I did not use my any of my eyeshadow sticks as a base like I normally do, because I really wanted to, test this out and not have that interfering with the colors of the shadows. So yeah, it worked good. The only caveat with this palette is I felt as if I had to use a setting spray when I was done, because it seemed like these powders just sucked every bit of moisture out of the skin on my eyes. So I had to use setting spray to sort of bring everything back to life, if you know what I mean. Not all eyeshadows do that, but these did. So setting spray is definitely a must with this palette. But other than that, I really did like the way it turned out. And then the last thing I have to show you is the cutest. These are in the beauty section, and they're little suitcases that have a container. So it has like the handle and the wheels. The wheels don't move, unfortunately. That would have been really cute if it did, but in order to keep the cost down, I guess they decided not to do that. So you can keep whatever you want in this, and it just so happens that the sharpeners that I got, the two sharpeners that I got, fit perfectly in here, and also the color match is the same. And I'm wondering if they did that on purpose, because I think this was Sassy and Chic, and then the sharpeners were Sassy and Chic. And the sharpeners come in 4 different colors, and this little suitcase thing also comes in 4 different colors. So I think they might have color coordinated it for that reason. Maybe not, maybe it was just a coincidence, but I thought, oh gosh, that's so cute. So I'm just going to keep that right on the shelf on display there. But how adorable is that? I mean, you can keep anything you want in there, but I thought that would be perfect for my new sharpeners. So that is it, you guys. That is all the things that I bought at Dollar Tree recently, and little mini reviews. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel when you do. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.